Yes, students, today we will do caustic soda and its properties, how caustic soda is formed, how it is manufactured. Common name is caustic soda. Chemical name is sodium hydroxide. Chemical formula is NaOH. Nature, it is a strong base, very corrosive in nature. If accidentally we touch it, it gives the sensation of burning. pH, 1 mole of sodium hydroxide has pH equal to 14. It is a strong base. Manufacturing of sodium hydroxide by electrolysis of brine solution. Now what is brine solution? Brine solution is nothing but it is aqueous solution of sodium chloride. When aqueous solution of sodium chloride is electrolyzed, that is when we pass electric current through this solution, sodium hydroxide, chlorine gas and hydrogen gas is formed. This process is called chlor-alkali process. Now why this process is called chlor-alkali process? क्योंकि एक तो बेटा alkali बनती है, alkali is sodium hydroxide. Why it is called alkali? Because it is highly soluble in water. It is a base which is highly soluble in water, that is why it is called alkali. And दूसरा बाई प्रोडक्ट बेटा क्लोरीन है, इसीलिए इस प्रोसेस को क्लोर-alkali process कहा जाता है. This process is called chlor-alkali process. Now, this is the apparatus in which this chlor-alkali process is done. Manufacturing of sodium hydroxide is done. This is a tank, electrolytic tank, in which brine solution is kept. Anode is connected to positive terminal and cathode is connected to negative terminal. Now what happens at electrolysis of brine solution is when happening, what happens? In aqueous solution, sodium chloride is there. When electric current is passed, it forms ions, sodium ion and chloride ion. Water also ionizes. It forms hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion. Now what will happen at cathode? Hydrogen ion which is positively charged, it will move towards cathode which is negatively charged, and it will gain one electron and become hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom and hydrogen atom, they combine to form hydrogen gas. Now hydrogen ions are discharged easily than sodium ion at cathode. Sodium ion is also positively charged. It also moves towards cathode, but hydrogen ion are discharged easily. Now what happens at anode? At anode, which is positively charged, chloride ion which is negatively charged, that is attracted. So chloride ion, it will gain one electron and become chlorine atom. So chlorine and chlorine, they will combine together, two chlorine atoms combine together to form chlorine gas. So chlorine gas is formed at anode. Now again, chloride ion are discharged easily than hydroxide ion at anode. Hydroxide ion, they are also negatively charged and they will also move towards anode which is positively charged, but chloride ion are discharged easily. Now what will happen to sodium ion and hydroxide ion? They will combine together and form sodium hydroxide near cathode. Now look at this figure. In this figure, this is anode where chlorine gas is released. This is cathode, negatively charged, where hydrogen gas is released. And formation of sodium hydroxide, it will take near cathode. So in this way, caustic soda is manufactured, and this process is called chlor-alkali process.